You want to know how to create a YouTube channel. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to quickly create a YouTube channel for those who wants to create one. So, of course, firstly, you want to hop into YouTube, your YouTube account, and creating a YouTube account is free. So long as you have a Gmail account, you can access YouTube. So I'm going to assume you logged into your YouTube account, and then come here on top and then click on that image there. Then you want to navigate down to settings. You see settings here? That is the place where you create your YouTube channels or you delete YouTube channels. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to delete a YouTube channel. But in this one, we're talking about how to create a YouTube channel. So again, come to settings here, click on settings, and then it brings you here. Then you say here's the channels, add or manage your channels. Okay, the first one is channel status and features. The second one is add or manage your channel. So this is a point to click, and this is a point where you create a channel. Very simple. So these are my channels. So if you want to add a new channel, just come here and then click create a new channel. When that is done, then voila, this is how you create a new channel. So you give it a brand account name. For example, let's say you want to set a channel on shoes, your online shoes. So you can say online shoe game. Maybe that's a channel. I'm going to talk about online shoes, online shoe game, and then just click on create. Just click on create, and you have a channel. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations, you have a channel. That's it. That's it. Now, of course, you need to do some settings. For example, you have to upload a video to start here, which you don't have to, but because right now you have a channel. I think the most important part you need to hop into now is here written custom channel. So customize your channel. So let's see what this brings us. Now you can click this to learn more, but I'm not going to click that because already I know what to do. So here it's very simple. First of all, you set the layout here. So you can have a trailer for the people who have subscribed. So you can here to add if you have a video already. If you don't have, just skip. Again, a featured video for returning subscribers. Just click here and add. And that's basically it on this part. Now, the most important part, I think, is branding and basic info. So first of all, let's start with branding. Branding is the profile picture. You have to upload a profile picture here. Remember, right now, it's just written O, because it's our profile picture. So just click here, upload, and then, of course, you'll be taken to your desktop or folder where you have a custom YouTube channel brand and put it there. And then, of course, a banner image. The banner image is what appears at the top of your channel there. You can also upload that, and then a video watermark. Now, these are not so important, but just for the sake of it, don't take a lot of time doing this. Just very quickly, especially this and this. This is not so important. You can do this one later. Sorry. And then, of course, your basic info. This I think is important because this is a point where YouTube can know what the channel is about. So here, describe what the channel is about. It's about shoes. Just say some short description about shoes. Okay, like that. Some short description about shoes, and then of course, there's a channel link here. Basically, that's then maybe an email if you want to. If you don't want to, you can just skip. And that is just it. Now, of course, don't forget this part is so important. That at this point, your channel is not live. How? So what do? You click here, publish, to make your channel go live. So make sure you click publish once you're done to make your channel go live. Now, as simple as that, you have a YouTube channel. Now you can start uploading videos. Now, the next probably couple of videos, I'm going to show you in depth on how to do some of these settings. Others, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.